and welcome everyone on the VanTourist YouTube channel, and this is it. I'm going to my first huge travel. So I decided to go to the Norway. Reaching Norway is not that easy because I need to drive about 3,000 kilometers to get there. And I will go through some countries like Germany, Poland, Denmark, I guess Sweden maybe, and the Latvia, Lithuania and all these countries, because I live in Russia and my way starts from the Moscow city. Now I will go to Latvia first, and I need to cross the border here. I get all the documents. To do that, I get the documents for my dog, because I will travel with my dog this time. My van is not 100% ready, but it's ready enough to make this trip. And I'm pretty late right now because it's 2 p.m. and I need to drive very badly. So I will see you in next updates. Leaving the Moscow city is not that easy. I stuck in traffic very badly, but soon will be my turn and I will leave the city and go 800 kilometers to Latvia. I leave the city and guess what? It's traffic again. Oh, Moscow city, you're hard for me to get out.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done,
I finally leave all the city traffic and now go freely on a highway, and roads are pretty nice. It's starting to get a little dark, so probably I will cross the border at the night.
now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
I stop at a gas station to refill my diesel tank and to walk my dog and rest for a little. For Fry, it's very unusual to drive for so long distance, so I give him a little to walk.
I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. I could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right.
It's almost Latvian border.
All you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone. I'm walking tall while you're
I am at the customs right now and staying in line. All the documents for my dog is ready, all the papers filled, and I have all the things, so now I just wait for the line to clear my vehicle and cross the border from Russia to Latvia. Let's wait.
5 hours later.
And I'm here in Latvia. Wow, that was a very long border crossing. I'm exhausted, and my dog too. He just turns off when I got there. And now I'm in motel. I'm not in motel, I'm in my campervan, but I'm in motel territory. I mailed the owner, host of this motel, and asked him for staying on his property. So I staying there for a couple of bottles of beer, and I was there before I traveled in Europe in my car. So for now it's 4 a.m. and crossing border takes me about 4 hours, and it was about 2 hours for Russian border and 2 hours for Latvian border, and all the custom workers works so slowly. But now I'm in Latvia in my homemade campervan. That's wow. I will make a bed And honestly, it's better than my home bed. So now I happily will test it for the rest of the night. And I will see you in the morning. I show you this place better. As you can see, I am very slowly thinking now, and that's because I was about 14 hours behind the wheel, and that's quite big amount of time. Good night. Hello everyone on the second day of my Norway trip, which is not Norway at all for now. The thing is, I stayed in this place. This hotel is Golden Fox Motel near Latvian-Russian border. It's super nice. The family of the hosts, just amazing people. And when I wanted to leave this place and go to Poland, I find out that my power steering in a van not working properly. The power steering liquid is going everywhere, and that's not normal, you can guess. So that's a not very nice thing for travel. But I'm in Latvia right now, which is one of the cheapest European countries, so I'm happy. So I find out it's there. So I find a service here in Latvia, and that's why I still staying there in this place. I waiting for tomorrow for 8 a.m. when I will go to the service, and they will look what's going on with my power steering fluid and why it's going everywhere and under my van. So for now I was in the shop, bought some food to make a dinner and breakfast for tomorrow, coffee, milk and all the thing. My dog is just browsing the around territory and making friends with another dogs, the hosts' dogs. So that's all for now. I will end this day and just relax. Honestly, I wanted to sleep badly, and that's all for today. I will update you tomorrow with my service results. And good morning everyone. I'm trying to be quiet to not wake up the host's dog, so she will bark and wake up all the family, and it's too early. It's about 7 a.m. now, and I have about 40 minutes for my breakfast before I must go to service. I'm making coffee here on my gas stove because I don't have much electricity. For now, I need the sun to charge up my batteries. I don't want to discharge them too much. So it was a very good sleep at night, but it's just perfect. That was not there, but the whole bed was mine. And it was very good temperature, about 20 degrees at night, so super nice. I will take a breakfast now and go to service. I'm in Rezekne city right now. I left my Sprinter in the service and waiting to them check it and send me a message what's going on with it. Look at that. Okay, so now I will go to Rezekne Old Castle ruins or something like that. I'm not sure if I could get there with a dog, but whatever, I have time and not much left to do, so I will go there. I found the old city ruins. Here, the castle ruins, basically all you see, and that's all. And also I found the art center for the young people with some nice green roof. It's an architectural, art, a science center for students, and that's very nice. And also it started a little raining, but I was there for about an hour for now, so I think we can go back. Also, the guy from the center where my sprinter is texted me that my sprinter will be ready in hour and a half, so I can go there, and I hope I will grab it with fixed power steering fluid leakage. And I got my sprinter back. It fixed. They find out that one of the tubes in the power steering system has some cracks, and the power steering oil is leaking from this cracks. They fix it. They doesn't have a new tube, but they managed to fix the old one, and they say it will be fine for the many thousands of kilometers. So now I will go through the Lithuania. I will not stop there, and I will go straight to Poland, where I found already a place where to stay near some beautiful lakes, near Augustov, I believe, city, and I will go there, and I will hope I will arrive not too late. I reached the place in Poland near Augustov city, and it must be a very good place because on the map it's located just near the lakes, but I couldn't see anything here. It's a pitch dark and the place has no light at all. It's some kind of wild camping place, but it's a lot of people there, so I hope it's very good. And while I was driving there, roads in Latvia and Lithuania was very bad, many roadworks, many bad roads. I drive very slowly sometimes, and it took me about 8 hours. I'm super tired right now. We'll make a quick dinner and rest, and see you in today's morning. It's tomorrow's morning. Yeah, I'm tired. Okay.